Okay everyone, this is an experiment, my first videotaping experiment ever on my iPad. And I'm overwhelmed here visiting in Virginia of the sound of cicadas, the sight of cicadas, and the overwhelming, disgusting crunching under the foot of dead cicadas. I just stepped on one and I didn't mean to. They are revolting. Anyway, can you hear them? It's quite a chorus. I prefer the sound of the living cicada to the crunching of the dead one underfoot. That is to be avoided at all costs. They're everywhere. Hanging, climbing, flying, dying, everywhere. Well, for those of you not blessed, now you know.